Building a stronger, more confident version of yourself starts with the right fitness equipment. In this video, we explore the best HA1 2-in-1 hip abductor and adductor machine for anyone focused on achieving better lower body strength and a balanced physique. Designed to support your fitness journey, it can help turn dedication into visible progress, motivating you to stay committed to your goals. Number 1. Push-up board, 36-in-1 home gym equipment. Upgraded design set. The HA1 home gym kit includes an extended and widened push-up board, resistance bands with bars, a Pilates bar, and pulleys, making it an all-in-one fitness equipment solution. The base is more stable and sturdy, ensuring safer and more effective workouts, making it an excellent choice for strength training. High-quality materials and anti-slip design. The push-up board is made from durable ABS plastic, capable of withstanding high loads. The handles feature an anti-slip design and materials, reducing wrist and elbow pressure and joint strain for a more comfortable workout experience. The resistance bands and Pilates bar are also made from high-quality materials, ensuring safety and durability during use. Multifunctional training. The multifunctional training board features an upgraded design and color-coded guide targeting different muscle groups: chest, shoulders, abs, biceps, back. The HA1 push-up board combined with resistance bands with bar, Pilates bar, and pulley offers various training positions, allowing for more push-up angles and workout variations. Portable and easy to store. Push-up board in the set is lightweight and can be folded 180 degrees. Whether used at home, in the office, or at the gym, this home workout equipment maintains stability on any floor surface. It is ideal home gym equipment for both men and women, easy to store and carry. The gift and service. This home gym kit is aesthetically pleasing and of high quality, making it an ideal gift for friends or anyone looking to exercise. Number 2. POO exercise bike, adjustable magnetic. Quieter and smoother ride, equipped with industrial-grade bearings, ABS pulleys, advanced magnetic resistance and maintenance-free belt drive. This spin bike operates under 25 decibels with zero friction loss, ideal for apartments and offices. Exclusive UFit app. Sync this stationary bike for home with our proprietary fitness app for unlimited professional training courses and immersive workouts. Works with Kinemap and Zwift for diverse cycling modes and smart interactive fun. Connect with global riders via sharing and challenges to keep motivation high on every ride. Safe and stable indoor bike. Features a dual triangle H-frame structure, adjustable pedals, and pressing the resistance knob instantly stops the flywheel, ensuring secure high-intensity workouts, supporting up to 300 pounds and the perfect choice for beginner. Comfort design. Fits 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 1 inch with a 4-way adjustable seat and height adjustable handlebars for a customized fit. This exercise bike for home features 0 to 100% infinite resistance to adapt to casual and hill climb rides. Extra soft oversized seat reduces discomfort. Adjustable pedals ensure safety. LCD monitor tracks real-time workout metrics to optimize training and hit fitness goals. Extras: oversized iPad holder, dual water bottle holders, transport wheels, level knobs. What you get: the POO exercise bike arrives 80% pre-assembled, complete with a detailed manual and online instructional videos, allowing full setup in just 30 minutes. Our team offers 24-hour rapid support and end-to-end assistance, ensuring a worry-free fitness journey for you. Number 3. Vibration plate exercise machine fitness. Build your dream body. Jump on your vibrating exercise machine to instantly sculpt your ideal body. The system creates a full-body vibration that stimulates muscles, causing extra muscle contraction and increased activation. This kind of machine helps in maintaining reflex reactions, thus burning calories and fat. It can help your body process fat many times faster than running. Powerful, functional and high-efficient exercise. Adjustable vibration speed, 1 to 120, with 2 resistance workout bands, can exercise upper body and lower body at the same time. Offering variety of exercise modes, allow you to try different vibration exercises. With this workout machine, you can have your routine exercise done in only 10 minutes every day. What you'll get is a better shape and enhanced metabolism, increased bone mineral density, relieve and reduce stress levels. Rich in functions and widely used, Magnet Health Massage Function LED display shows time, speed and burn fat, making your workout visible. Compact size can be used anywhere and easy to carry and store. Anti-slip coating design enhanced upgraded ergonomic design shell ensures more durability and stability, comes with remote control, resistance bands and user manual. Everything you need. Number 4. HA1 2" hip abductor and adductor machine. 2" hip abductor and adductor machine. Experience a comprehensive lower body transformation with our dual function glute machine. By seamlessly combining hip abduction and adduction, this thigh workout equipment allows you to lift your glutes and tone your inner thighs without switching machines. Perfect for building hip stability and achieving a sculpted look right from your home gym. The abductor pads measure 9 x 7.5 inches. 6 adjustable resistance bands for all fitness levels. Customize your glute workout equipment with 6 easy on/off elastic bands, offering 36, 72, and 108 pounds resistance levels. Whether you are focusing on rehab and activation or aiming for toning and endurance, and muscle and strength, this leg exercise machine adapts to your progressive training needs, ensuring consistent tension throughout every rep for a controlled and effective feel. Each band is 6.7 inches at rest, stretches to 9.8 inches max, and provides 18 pounds of resistance. The set includes 6 bands, 3 pairs, 1 pair equals 36 pounds, 2 pairs equals 72 pounds. 3 pairs equals 108 pounds. Whisper quiet and smooth operation. Say goodbye to clunky, noisy equipment. Built with a premium mechanical structure and a heavy-duty steel frame, this booty builder machine provides a fluid, jerk-free motion. Train early in the morning or late at night in your living room, apartment, or home gym without disturbing your family. The spring lock pin allows you to switch between abduction, minutes adduction, and max adduction levels in seconds. Number 5. Ab machine. Ab workout equipment, sit-up machine and exercise. Only 5 minutes a day for visible results. Magic BB ab workout equipment is designed for efficient core and abs training in just 5 minutes per day. Compared to ordinary machines, our upgraded ab machine engages more muscle groups and is an ideal full body workout solution for your home gym. Stable, safe and comfortable support constructed with a reinforced steel frame and thickened padded cushion. Magic BB core and abdominal trainers provide strong stability and enhanced comfort. Perfect for sit-ups and other floor workouts without worrying about safety or back strain. Multiple workouts in one machine, from sit-ups to push-ups, cycling, scissors kicks, triceps and pectoral extensions, biceps curls and lunges. This multifunctional home gym equipment allows you to customize your training sessions with one compact, versatile machine. Adjustable dual resistance system. Magic BB's upgraded power-assisted spring design offers 3 levels of resistance from multiple angles, helping maximize the effectiveness of your ab and core workouts while supporting users of all fitness levels. Portable, foldable and easy to use. Lightweight and space-saving, this foldable ab workout machine is easy to operate and store. Follow our included exercise guide and train anytime, at home, in the office, or wherever fits your lifestyle.